Hello students, this is Rimpa Singharai and today we are going to learn how to convert a complex number to its polar form. So for this we need to learn what is polar form. Suppose z equals to x plus iy is the complex number and we put x equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. Okay. Here r is the modulus of z. Okay. What is modulus of z? Then if we put z in the complex plane, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, then the distance from z to its origin oz will be r. Okay, and the coordinate of z is x and y, as it is x plus iy, so this will be x and this will be y. As r is the hypotenuse of this right angle, then r will be root over of x square plus y square. Okay. Similarly, theta or argument of z is the angle between OZ and OX. This is the theta. So theta will be tan inverse of y by x. Okay. And the principal value of theta is, you already know that, but let me remind you, minus pi less than theta less equals to pi. Okay, so if we put all this, I mean x equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta in z, then we will have z equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta, and this is the polar form of z. Polar form of z. Now we are going to take some real examples and learn this. Now we are going to change this, convert this complex number in its polar form. So for this we need to know what is x and what is y. As you can see, it is root 3 plus I, then x is equals to root 3 and y is equals to 1. So then r will be root over of x square y square. That means 3 square will be 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. And we will take only the positive value because r is the distance. So we will take only the positive value. Now for argument of z, theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So that means tan inverse 1 by root 3. And 1 by tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equals to pi by 6. So we get that r is equals to 2 and the argument of z is equals to pi by 6. So the polar form will be z equals to 2 into cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Now the next question is z equals to minus 1 minus I. So here x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to minus 1. That means r will be root over of 1 square plus 1 square, that means root 2. Now argument of z. Here argument of z will be tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y by x will be tan inverse 1 is equals to pi by 4. But as both x and y are negative, so that means it is in the fourth quadrant. So we will take minus of pi by 4. If you haven't understand this, then please go and check it out, that how to find out the argument of a complex number. The link will be in the description box. So now we have our modulus and argument. Now it's time to write the polar form of z. So the polar form of z will be z equals to, r was root 2 into cos minus of pi by 4 plus I sin minus of pi by 4. So this will be the polar form of z equals to minus 1 minus I. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts or queries, then please let me know in the comment section. I will try my level best to help you. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.